have taken admission in IILM University Gurugram for the course BBA in International Business. I am expecting to have a great time with my new peers and professors. And in future, I would like to work as a consultant in one of the big 3 firms.
I heard about a lot of clubs that the students run in this university. So I'd like to, take part in it, like the singing club, the dancing club, the sports club. I've met the teachers as well and they're very supportive. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
I have a huge expectation from this university as well, and I hope it goes well.
All the best and welcome to IILM.